Okay, so we're going to look at complete dominance, codominance, incomplete dominance, all right? What you've been working on so far is regular, complete dominance, basic Mendelian genetics, like what was in the entry document, okay? So just to make sure we're on the same page, if we're talking about a chicken and its feather colors or some animal, right? And we go big B, that's going to be black. We go big B, that's going to be black. And then little b will be white. Right? Simple enough? Got it. Perfect. So sometimes you see complete dominance, other times it's just Mendelian genetics. Incomplete dominance is a little different. We have let's say we're doing flower colors. Okay? So big P, purple. Alright, I'm going to skip the middle one. Little p, what's that?
Pink.
No, normally, purple is dominant to white. So the recessive color is white. Okay? Now, in normal Mendelian genetics, this middle one would be purple, right? Instead, incomplete dominance, I don't know if you can read that very well, but that says pink. So you have purple, white, and this middle trait, instead of being the dominant color, this dominant trait doesn't actually fully mask it, so you get a combination. So it's the combo of these two, which is a pink, which is hard to read. That's what it is. So that's incomplete dominance. If you're using black and white, black's dominant, white's recessive, the middle one's gray. So I think on your packet it talks about how the phenotype of the heterozygote is a combination of the dominant and the recessive, because it uses some tricky language. Okay? And then codominant. Let's go back to our black and white example. Now the letters get very different in this one. Dominant, let's say black is our normal dominant. We have black here. Now, for the recessive trait, in codominance you have two traits that are equally powerful. Okay, so you have to write two different letters, which is weird. And then the middle is, so you get black here, white here with W's, which is weird, and then BW, which is what a lot of you try to do anyway. Black and white. So like you have black feathers for the dominant, white feathers for the recessive, black and white chicken for the codominant chicken. Okay, so I think on your packet, the terminology they use is like the phenotype, both phenotypes of the dominant, or maybe there's two dominant phenotypes that show up. I'm not exactly sure what it says, but it's one of the questions that talks about phenotypes. All right?
The first three?
Might be one of the first three.